Welcome back to my page. Let me show you how to bypass this FRP on Infinix Smart 6. First of all, you have to select your country. My own country is Nigeria, so I select Nigeria. Secondly, you have to connect your hotspot. Like my own, I'm using a phone to connect it, so I'm putting the password now. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can connect it. Okay, let me put the password. You put your password. After that, it will take you to this place, terms of use. Turn off your hotspot if you are using phone. If you are using Wi-Fi, turn it off. Then you accept, you press next, then wait for it to move. Okay, when you see this Google service, you press skip, you next, go next, press skip. Then please, when you enter the security settings, enter face unlock, then enter pattern, draw any pattern you want to draw, then lock the screen. As you can see now, I've drawn the pattern, is 7. Lock the screen, open it again. You can see now, you swipe it up, then unlock the pattern, the same pattern that you put. As you can see, setup completed. So you will have to go back again. Just go back, select your country again, go back, select your country, turn on your Wi-Fi. Now you have to turn it on now. Then when you turn it on, forget the password. If not, it will not go, it will not move further. Then connect it back again, put your password again. This time around, you don't have to off your Wi-Fi, just allow it to load. Then from here, you press next, you wait for this to boot, checking for updates. Just wait for it for some time. Please, if you have any question to ask me, drop it on the comment section. Please don't forget to drop a like on this video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to drop a comment on this video. Okay, now it's showing copy apps and data. You press don't copy, then wait for it to load. Just wait a bit, it will open. Then now put the password. If it's password you use, like my own, I use pattern, so I will draw the pattern. So if you use pin or password, you just enter the pin or the password, then just wait for it to load. Okay, let's wait for some time, it will soon boot up. Okay, you can see now, you see skip, press skip. You can see, just look up, you will see that Google lock is no more there. Have you seen it? It's no more there. So you now press skip everything. You see, this is where you can download the applications that were in the phone before, but I don't want to download it, so you unmark it. But if you want to download it, you can download anyone you want. So just wait for the phone to boot up. I'm done. You can see skip everything, getting your phone ready. You press start. That is all, very easily and smooth. Please don't forget to drop a like for me. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to drop a comment. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.